Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, locate and open General Management, it's here, go to reset them, and now click on reset settings. So if you truly want to reset all the settings to their defaults, and then all the settings will be reset except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and setting for downloaded apps. If you still want to do it, click on reset settings. Confirm it by tapping on reset and wait until it's done. And that's it. As you can see, you've just reset all the settings, so I will go back to previous brightness, and then you can go with the customization from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.